What's up, fam? Just here making another moto vlog. We out here in this big empty parking lot. Just with my bike. Look at her, she's beautiful. God damn, looking good. The exhaust doesn't sound too good. Sounds like a sawing machine. But when you rev it up, not bad. Alright, let's ride around this parking lot real quick. Let's practice some maneuvers. It's got some nice things here. Some water. Just practice my riding skills a bit. Trying to go through these little things here. Just practice. Just practice them low speed maneuvers. Maybe take some pictures of the bike. I don't know. Wow, that's a pretty wide turn. Horrendous right there. Horrendous. Just trying to use these as markers. Oh, I touched the ground there. Fuck. The name of the game, don't touch the ground. That's a little game I play with myself. Okay. Trying to go between these dividers. Oh, too tight here. There we go. It's okay. It's good enough. It's passable, I guess. It's passable. This might be a good photo shop right here. Not Photoshop, but photo place. I'll go right here, park my bike like so. Look at that. I can actually see the bike on the water. Alright, let me take a photo of that. Let's back up a little bit. The framing is a little shitty. Definitely need more practice with the photography. There we go. That's my shot right there. I fucking love this. There we go. There we go. Whoo, that looks good. She's beautiful, man. Her exhaust doesn't sound good, but she's a beautiful, beautiful thing. Alright. I say let's get the fuck out of here. If you look over there, that's the old Toys R Us. You know. Remember Toys R Us? Oh man, this is fucking phenomenal, man. This weather is perfect. I'm literally just wearing jeans and no windproofing, and it feels great. I'm wearing my summer gloves. It's perfect. I'm trying to get used to this bike, especially in cornering, because it's a little more heavier than my CBR, my old 500 CBR. And like, yeah, just getting used to the weight, it's like, I don't know why, but I'm having a little bit of difficulties like adjusting to it. But then again, I'm not exactly you know, I'm not exactly cornering a lot, so that's, you know, that's the reason. I just need more practice around the corners, and definitely will have it down packed soon. Yeah, but for now, just cruising, chilling, enjoying the great weather. Let's do a little second gear pull here. God damn, son. This bike fucking pulls, bro. This is as fast as I want a bike to be. Any faster, I'll be terrified. Oh, shit. So basically, the forecast says... God damn, son, that's fun. Sheesh. Oh my god, so good. So the forecast says that, you know, 7:30 is gonna like rain, and it's gonna rain hard, like like thunderstorm type hard. So I'm trying to get back before then. I got a good an hour or so I should be fine. Traffic is dying down a bit, which is good, real good. See a third gear here. Yeah, third gear is pretty fucking good too. Shit. Baby, that is quick. God damn. Fucking leading on that shit at 100 something. Love this thing, man. That's why I love this bike. It's like, it's not like a fucking complete rocket ship where I would be terrified to ride it. This amount of power, I think I'll be good with for a long time. Woo! And then like next year I get a fucking 1000cc motorcycle. Oh man, I love this thing. It's my baby. It is my baby. God damn, son. Riding pretty aggressively. I just love how much oomph this bike has for the value. Man, I really wanted to get a CBR 650, but this insurance is a bitch, bro. Insurance is like $450. Sucks. So, you know, I had to settle for this beautiful thing. Ain't bad at all. Oh man, I love that. I love this thing. Fucking fourth gear, bro. Fucking insane. I wonder what the gear ratio on the fourth gear is. I gotta take a look. Man, son, this bike really goes. Holy shit. I'm telling you guys, fourth gear, man. That's where it's at. Acceleration power. There we go. Woo, baby, that feels fucking good. Yeah, that's fucking amazing, bro. I try to go back. I'm getting a little too far. I kind of want to be back home before like 6:45, you know. I don't want to get caught in the rain. Apparently it's gonna rain. Apparently, because right now it looks too good. But I know how it is. It's like the weather looks amazing and all of a sudden, bam, rainstorm. Fucking love this thing, man. I love this bike. Phenomenal speed and power. My fucking legs. I'm still sore from the hike. Damn. Really fucks my riding up a bit. If you guys have a 650, dude, you gotta try a fourth gear. Fourth gear is where it's at. This is what life's all about. Riding a bike. That's all you need in life. Just buy a motorcycle and you'll be the happiest motherfucker alive. Just, you know, ride safe. Ride within your skill level. Like what I'm not doing. Oh shit. Oh, there's a motorcycle cop. Hopefully they're not here for me. Huh. Because I did just go like 100 something. Sheesh. I actually don't see much motorcycle cops in New York. Rarely do I see them. Woo, that sun, man. Look at that shit. What in the fuck? What the hell happened? I guess the motorcycle cops slowed down traffic for some reason. I don't know. Cop presence just increased. Maybe someone called the cops on me. It's like, oh, a lone motorcyclist speeding at 120. Alright, it's time to disappear from this highway because I don't want to get caught. If there is a possibility that someone called cops on me. Whoopsies. That sun, baby. Sun shining, sun shining. Damn, this helmet is very fucking loud, dude. Like, the wind is just crazy. I can't wait to get my new helmet. It's just taking forever to get to me. So the new helmet that I got was a HJC, same brand as the one I'm using now, but it's a higher trim model. HJC Arfa 70 ST. That's the helmet I'm getting. And I looked at some reviews, and overall, it's, you know, read about a lot of good things about it. Oh man, it's phenomenal. Great. Everyone's braking. Shit. Crazy, man. Of course, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna lane split out of here. I'm gonna get the fuck out of this highway. I'm gonna disappear. I'm gonna disappear from this highway. Look at this Mustang. It sounds amazing. The Mustang is like my dream car, but honestly, it's just too much to handle, you know. It's a lot of horsepower. Insurance is probably crazy. Gas is probably insane. Well, anyway, guys, I'm going to end the video here. Thank you guys for watching this video. You guys have a good one. Enjoy yourselves, and peace out.